Good morning, guys. Now, online students. So, guys, I'm audible. Okay, right. Uh, Now, okay, guys, in the last session, okay, in demonstration one, so we just given some information about Oracle and databases, what it is, how and what it is backend, and backend applications through what we can do. Okay, so what kind of applications we can develop by using of backend softwares. Okay, so this all and a little bit informations we discussed in the last class. Okay, in the last session, right now. And today, I want to show you when you're working in real-time companies, okay, the how many types of the database roles can be played. Okay, so what kind of roles are there in database and what are those? Okay, and which role? Okay, suppose in a particular role is there in a company, for example, database developers and database administrators. So in these two cases, if you are a developer, then what you want to do in your company? Okay, suppose when you go for database admin side, so admin persons, what kind of operations they can perform in particular real-time companies, and what kind of role and responsibilities of developer, and what kind of role and responsibilities of database administrators. So these are the two people, guys, is a very important role they will be play in come to backend side. Okay, na? So how you say the front end side, like Java developers, .NET developers, Python developers, UI people, yes or no, PHP developers. So how they can play the developing role for development of their applications, writing of some code, yes or no. The same as in the backend side also, there are two people will be there to manage the database, complete your database systems. Okay, now, so who are that? Okay, so what kind of roles they can do? Okay, so this is a little bit information. You should know that this course, what we are learning Oracle, this course is belongs to, so which category of people? That means, is it for developers or is it for administrators? Okay, now, so that is also very important to know that before you want to enter into your Oracle. Okay, right. And let me come out, guys, here. This is what the last session, I think so. So this font size, okay, last paper. Is it okay for you? Clear? Okay, right. Okay, come back here. We can see this today in this second demonstration. We will see roles of databases. Okay, now, right. So here two kind of roles we will be play, guys, here. So we said, okay, roles in database. So I'm shortcutly writing in this running notes. Okay, now, and later I will send you main notes. Okay, don't worry. So roles in databases. So there are two people will be there, guys, here. The first person we called as database developer. The database developer, and the second person is called as database admin. Okay, database admin. So these are the two people. Okay, they should remember and they should have it in your company. Okay, if any type of company, they will be maintain these two people, developers as well as administrators. But what kind of roles will be play administrators and developers? Let me see some roles. I will give it now. The admin developer side. First, we will check out the developing side. Okay, so they can be go for to creating tables. Okay, later they will be go for altering tables. and they will be go for to create views. Okay, so later they will go for create, okay, synonyms, and they will go for, okay, so creating some indexes, and they will go for to create your sequences. Okay, so they will be go to create your procedures. Okay, so procedures means here if you want to know exactly what it will be called, so we can say this is called as a stored procedures. Okay, they want to create your stored functions. Okay, and they will be working with your triggers. Okay, and they must and should be know that the good knowledge on your queries. That means we called as your SQL language query knowledge compulsory we should know it. So SQL language queries. Okay, so and after that, okay, suppose you want to go for in developing side, and you people would have like the good knowledge in PLSQL. Okay, the PLSQL programs and logics we should know it. Okay, so how to write your logics. Okay, so that kind of knowledge is very important to having or to know that before you want to go for developing side. So these are the some examples, some kind of roles the people can be prepared here. Okay, now, but whereas come to in the database admin part, okay, so these people, actually our course is not administrator, our course is developer. That's why when I come to admin, power gone. Huh? It was indicating to us this is not administrator course, this is a developing course. Huh? Power. అని దీని మీద నేమ్ పెట్టేసుకున్నారుగా, నేమ్ పెట్టేస్తే ఇంకా మనకి సెట్ అయిపోతుంది. అదే అదే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది, నేమ్స్ పెట్టేస్తే. Okay, right. And come to database admin side. Okay, into this, what kind of roles the database admin can play. Okay, so now, so he's the person, he will be creating users, okay, and passwords. Okay, and is the person he will be created, okay, databases, and he's the person he will be go for to installing your softwares. Installing softwares, and is the person he will be giving the granting permissions, and later he is the person he can go to revoke your permissions, revoke your permissions. Okay, so he is the person he will be creating roles in database. Okay, and he is the person he was completely, okay, it was going to be maintained. So maintain complete your database security, that is called as security levels of operations. Security operations. And he is the person he will be go for the performance tuning. Okay, so this kind of some informations will be managed by your database administrators here. Okay, so what is this database admin role here means? So whenever you want to need some new users, they want to create here, they can create users and passwords, because I said to you yesterday, when you want to access your table or else your database tables data, it's not like that I can directly access. So we need to access our tables information, otherwise I want to see my table informations. Okay, if any kind of operations once you want to perform in your database now, so you must and should be need some user ID and password, the first of all, and after that you need some granting permissions, yes or no. So when administrator will give permission to you, then only I can create my table, I can see my data, I can manipulate my data, I can share my data. Okay, so whatever it is, whatever you can go to perform over databases, compulsory we should need a permission. Okay, and these permissions are who will give it and who will provide to you means the one and only one person, administrators. That's why administrators sir is a completely the responsibility person, he will take care of your database securities. So any security related issues are handling by who is this, administrators. Okay, and even though in real time administrators is a part of installation of softwares also, because if you want to install Oracle server software, okay, so they will take that responsibility, but not a developer. Developer is just for developing their application, that's it, but remaining things will be prepared, managed, maintained by who, database administrators. Okay now, so these kind of operations will be managed by admin. But in our course, okay, actually DBA course is there, the database admin side course also there, but these are the main things I was going to showing guys here. Along with that, there are so many other operations and topics also there in database admin side. Okay, so but that all are we don't want it here for in our course. Okay, in our course we are learning completely developer related things like a joins, subqueries, all are there, but I didn't write here. Okay, just a little bit information I'm passing. Okay, so we are seeing so many are there like a primary key, foreign key relations, normalizations, yes or no, denormalizations of tables. Okay, and what is join, subquery. Okay, so many are there like a partitions, tables, locking mechanisms. Okay, so many topics are there, so many what we can say the topics we can see it in developing side, but these are the something you just getting some idea what we can do as a developer. Okay, and this is admin part. Okay, but in our course, okay, so I will be covered some information about your admin also. Okay, so which is important for us and which is need for us as a developer, as a minimum idea about your, we are ourselves, we need to maintain our database. So for that purpose, whatever the admin operations I was given here, that every operation I will show you. Okay na? So we will check out how to creating our own username and passwords, and our creating of databases, installation, Okay, granting and revoking permissions, how to give it, and how to create a role and what kind of the role responsibilities in database, and how to maintain security related operations. Like I said now, so when you create a table, you need a permission. When you insert the data, we need a permission. Okay, when you delete the data, we need a permission. When I want to view the data, I need a permissions. So these kind of some security, the permissions, how to provide here. And later, performance tuning. And this is one of the important topic for the admin side. But so many people, they're thinking that performance tuning is not a separate concept here. It is a part of your subject. That means performance tuning, the simple way I will explain to you, it was giving to what within a short period of time, how much less time you want to access your data. So that was how, in which way we can get it. For example, one method is there. That method will be retrieving your data. It's called a 0.5 seconds, for example. So we have to check as a database administrator what they're checking that. So is there any other alternative choice or method or technique was there which can use to retrieve the data less than 0.5 seconds? So that means which is the best level. Okay, so we can say worst level and the best level. So which is the best level and which is the shortest period to retrieving your information from the table? So that kind of the which technique will be there. Okay, so that is a part of what now? Performance tuning. So performance tuning means within the less period of time, how we are retrieval your data fastly, quickly. Okay, now, so for that purpose, there is so many methods and techniques we have it in our database. So like, for example, indexes are there. Is one of the technique, how to retrieval data fastly. Views are there. Materialized views are there. Okay, now, subqueries are there. So these are all are what now is a part of performance tuning. Okay, but don't think that yeah, somebody thinking this performance tuning is a separate topic. No, never. It's not a topic. It's a part of your database. So which technique will be the best choice for us to retrieve or to do some operation on my table? Okay, now, because we knows that in real time, when you go for real time, there are lakhs of transactions are going on. Yes or no? For example, sample banking sector, you can see per day how many number of transactions will go. Any idea? No. So we just say that n number of transactions. N number of transactions will be performed in banking sectors. So those all transactions we need to manage and maintain. And in those many transactions, if I wanted a particular customer transaction to pick from your table, okay, or else you pulling from the table or from the database tables, then which method will be shortest method to pulling your data from database? Okay, now, so this all the group of topics will be comes under performance tuning. Okay, now, so automatically you can understand that when we go for topic wise operations, little bit you are getting some idea. Okay, so these are what we calls guys here, and these all the things I will show you. Okay, this all I will show you in my course. And somebody is very commonly asking, sir, how to create my own user? Okay, so how to change my password? If I forgot it, my password, how I can retrieval? Okay, so this kind of common questions from the students. Okay, so that is the reason I will take this part also up to here. Admin side, whatever I mentioned here, these all are we are discussing. And developing side, not only these parts or so many other topics also we have it here. So the both things I will discuss in this class. Okay, now, so developing complete developer and also some part of administration operations. Okay, now that's the minimum idea purpose. Okay, because you people are asking, sir, database is security now. How it is security? Yes or no? So you're asking how it is security, sir. Okay, that security concepts, if you want to understand the properly and practically what it was going to happen in real-time companies, so we need to learn some database admin side part also. Okay, so then you can understand that practically if I'm showing the security how it will be there, then you will getting a confident, yes, definitely databases are providing high level security. So that confident you will be getting it. Okay, right. So these are the things guys here we will see in our courses, and developing side, so many other topics also there. So that was there in the content. So this content, if anybody wanted, you can go to ask the Naresh IT management people. They will give one content paper. Okay, that if you wanted, you can take and keep it your side. Okay, now, right. So now these are the what roles, and come to, and this is finally my course. That means in this course what you are learning, and what, how much duration was there this course. Okay, how your classes are going on. And somebody has started asking, sir, materials, how you we provide materials and notes is. Okay, now, so this kind of doubts yesterday some students are asked me. Okay, so just check out guys here, this is complete information I will give it about my course details. Okay, let me come and see. So my course, okay, so this is for your idea purpose, because you should know that what is what. Okay, now, so which version we are learning guys here? Yeah, Oracle 19C version we are learning guys here. So that is the first thing should be remembered. And what about duration? So duration will be taking here, I don't know how much Naresh IT said. 45 days. Hmm? So 45 days may one technology will be completed. Is it possible? No. So, and don't expect guys here. I want to request you, all of you. So many students are has a human psychology. So I'm not saying the student, any human being, they have some enthusiasm. Yes. So fastly I want to complete, fastly I want to get a job, fastly I want to earn money, fastly I want to marry. Yes or no? Fastly I want to produce children's. Huh? So human beings, that is called as a, they're enthusiasts. Everything will be fast, 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 fast. But that is not the way in all cases. It's not good also for all cases. For example, a baby want to burn. Okay. So how many months? It is possible before, no, 1 month I want it. Is it possible? So some cases we should understand that, is it correct or wrong? We are choosing the method, is it right or wrong? Okay. You are expecting complete syllabus, sir, but I should complete it 1 week. How it is possible? That kind of what we can say generation will come maybe in the future in 2050s. Because of reason, in that cases, we have all our robots. We don't have a human being works. Yes or no? Everything is depending on robot. Even though teaching also robot can teach. Maybe artificial intelligence. Yes or no? Yeah, maybe. So the future maybe we are expecting. Future means 2050 means not our generation. Maybe our children's generation or children generation, something. Okay, now. So that's different levels. Okay, but here also 45 days, 10 days, 1 week, 1 month is not possible. Okay, now. So you need complete and in-depth knowledge to spend on Oracle. I will be take here 60 to 70 classes. So why I'm giving exactly, I can give 60 also, but the 1 week, the 10 days, the gap, why I was given means sometimes we don't know exactly, we can't happen anything. So we can't say 100 to 100%, right? Even though Radhesham is also saying predication is also 99% only, not 100 to 100%. Are you watching movies? What are these many sincerity people? No, Radhesham. No, okay. Very good, yeah. Excellent. Excellent students here. How much career is important, na? Wow. So I think in this batch, so many people, very sincere people are there. Let I see sincerity, how it is in 60 to 70 classes. How you are sincerity, I will say. Okay. Right. Anyway, 60 to 70 classes, guys. Okay. In between, I will complete your course. Okay, now? Right. And what is your timings here? the timings will be, your class will be started 11:15 a.m. to 12:30. Okay, na? So 11:30 to 12:30. Okay, your what we can say, the time will be there, guys. Almost 1 hour 15 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes class is going on. Okay, na? Right. And what about last and additionally, okay, last I will give to 15 to 20 minutes. I will spend with you, okay, about your doubts. Okay, I will spend with you about your doubts. So whatever the doubts you have it here, so those doubts you can ask me. Okay, now last 15 to 20 minutes, that means your 12:30, 11:15 to 12:30 complete my class, I will take it. And 12:30 to quarter to 1 or 10 to 1, I will spend here, I will be stay here. If any person on the day, on the session, do have any queries, you just come out and discuss with me. Okay, now? So maybe I have 3 languages I can understand. Okay, so I know Hindi. Okay, I know somewhat English. Okay, I know Telugu. So when you want to talk to me, some people will be not comfort, like maybe they don't know languages problem. Don't worry, if you didn't understand the class and session in the classroom and which language you are favored to you, you can speak good and good manner, you can speak that. Okay, maybe I am speaking any little bit mistake now, don't worry. Because Hindi I know but not that much fluent here. So कुछ mistake हो जाता है, थोड़ा adjust कर लो ना. Hindi people, okay, North Indians, and Telugu people, okay, no problem. I know little bit Telugu, I can talk. English also, okay, no problem, I can talk. Okay, but Hindi wise थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं इसको, समझो ना, समझिए, क्या बोलते हैं, you just understand. Okay, you speak, I will give some response, but you can understand that what's our responding. Okay, okay, right. So the last 15 to 20 minutes doubt sessions, guys. Okay, right. And after that, this course type is, okay. So laptop is practice, and I don't, keyboard is very difficult here, hard keyboard, that type. Okay, anyway, fine. So course type is completely, this is offline, okay, as well as online also, guys. Off and online, because the 2 people are there, you and somebody is there in the online also. So offline and online, the both cases we are learning this course, okay, completely, right? So this is simple information about your Oracle. In this Oracle, what you are learning, okay, the course details. So here I will give it here. So what is the course details here? There are total, I will teach you 5 topics, guys, in this course. The topic number 1, okay, we are discussing about DBMS. Okay, because if you go to directly into Oracle classes, you cannot understand what it was happening before Oracle. So that's why any technology, when you want to learn it, okay, so the before the story, that means before databases and database softwares, how the world can manage their data. Because in earlies, we don't have any computer, right? So we don't have any computers, we don't have any softwares. Okay, at that moment, how the people can handle their business data. So we have a business, and business through some information will be producers, but how that information will be produced, how they will be managed, how they can store, okay, when there is no databases in the world. So that kind of some little bit information about DBMS, like the basic fundamentals of DBMS, what is data, what is information, and what is database, and how many types of databases in real-time world. Okay, and our Oracle is comes under which type of database, what kind of models are there. So this kind of some 1 or 1.5, 2 sessions maximum I will spend on DBMS. So what is what? Okay, later we will be go for our main topic is, we started here the topic number 2 about your Oracle. Okay, so that means here the point is, we will see what is Oracle. So Oracle exactly what, how the Oracle can be installed, and how many ways and how many editions Oracle software is available in the market, and which edition we are using in our classes. if you go to real-time companies also, which kind of editions the people are using to develop their backend applications. Okay, now, so how many types of editions, what are those, and which kind of edition we are using, what is the differences between the editions. Okay, so and later installation, downloading of your software, how to download Oracle 19c software from your Google, yes or no. And later you have to go for installation process, because so many people are asking, sir, I want to install my software in laptop or somewhere. So now you're asking that. So that's why I will show you practically in my classroom how to install your Oracle 19c. Understand now? So, and how to download, how to install, the both I'm showing in the classroom. Okay, and you just watch it, and later I will give software also. I will give software and to install that software into your laptops. And what kind of requirements we need, hardware and software requirements to installation of Oracle 19c software. Okay, now, and which kind of operating systems are supported, that all we can discuss in this. And later on, this Oracle from the 1979. So that means it was introducing in 1979. That means before 1979, there is no Oracle. Understand my point now? So from Oracle 1979 to present, the last 2001. So, or 2001, how many versions the people was introducing in the market. Okay, so and each version, what kind of the new features are added by Oracle Corporation people, yes or no? Because we all of you know this, versions are there, yes or no? So now you are learning Java also. In Java also some features are there, yes or no? Java 5 features, Java 6 features, something. I don't know much idea on about Java, but I'm just asking. So every version, okay. So here also from 1979 to latest, we are not using same version. There are so many different versions are introducing by Oracle Corporation people. And each version, what is the difference, sir? For example, somebody is asking, sir, Oracle 11G and Oracle 12C, what is the difference? Somebody is asking, Oracle 9i and 10G and 11G, 12C, what is the difference? So Oracle 12C to 18C, 19C differences what? Okay, here not that much differences. Here only the thing you just remember, when the new feature, new version is came means, it's not like that existing version will be collapsed. Existing version, all features will be taken, and whatever the new features we are finding here, those new features are we are adding. So that is called as a new version. Okay, so that's why your fundamental, your basics, everything will be same as it is, but newly what it is added, which feature is added in the newly, so that is we called as a new version. Okay, now, so don't think that your new latest version means my old version operations will be perform or not. All are performing. For example, simple logic, you have your mobiles, right? In any company of mobile, for every 6 months, they're introducing some new version, yes or no? Like for example, Samsung 12C, Samsung 13C, like the models. But 12C, 13C, for example, 12C, 13C was there. 12C is an existing model in the market, and 13C was the latest model. So when you purchase your latest model, what it will be there, guys? That means your existing model features are not there in this, or else those are existing features we just carry, but adding some additional features. What it was happen? You just carry and adding some additional features. That's it now. Yes or no? Calling, yes or no? Videos, these are all are common. But what they can do means they can do extensions and enhancements. Okay. So a very funny thing, you know, in a mobile application, if Samsung 12C, for example, front camera 5.0 megapixel, for example, in the latest version, what you do, know that? What is the same thing means? 5.6 just enhance it to 8.0. That's it. That is called a new feature. Okay, now, so whenever you want to purchase mobile applications, that means mobiles, you just check out the previous model configuration details, present model configuration details, both you can compare. And you will be know so many funny things in that. Yes or no? Nothing was different. Everything will be there. Just what? Enhancing. Your 5.0 showing 8.0. Okay. Back camera here 12.0. You're showing 13.0. That's it. Remaining all are same features. This future enhancements purpose, companies are charging 2,000 rupees extra, 3,000 rupees extra. So here, who is the, what we can say, who is the Bakra? Not manufacturing people. The Bakras are who? Customers. Because we are thinking that, hey, I wanted new model, new model, new model. But if purchasing new model, but existing model, new model, just everything will be same, just a little bit enhancements. For those enhancements purpose, you are charging 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. But what we feel, yeah, I have a latest model. In front of friends, we are saying that, hey, latest model. Yes or no? Yes. But nothing was there, guys. Okay, now? Right. So here also software versions and versions, each version, what kind of features are added by Oracle people, yes or no? That all kind of, and later after installation of Oracle software, internal process that's called as a client server architectures. Okay, what is a client and what is a server? What kind of client tools I'm using for interacting to my database server, what it will do, what kind of operations internally perform, how the data can be processing when user sending some data, how it will be processed, how it will be stored, how many types of memories we can manage in database area. Yes or no? So these are all kind of client server architectures we will explain, and complete which is related to only Oracle software. Okay, now? So that we are discussing in the part of Oracle. And the next one is the topic number 3. Okay, so in this topic number 3, if you want to interacting with your Oracle databases or any database, not only Oracle, any relational database management system products are there, system softwares are there in real time. You want to talk to them. That means I want to interacting to my database. So what I need, guys? For example, now I'm talking to you. I'm interacting with you. What I'm using here? Language. So how we can say the two human beings, when they want to communicate to each other, they know some language. Same as this Oracle database server. I'm the user. I want to communicate with my server. So how I can communicate? So your server, which was understand which language. Okay, for example, here if I'm writing C program cannot understand Oracle. Yes or no? If I'm writing Java programs, Java language cannot understand Oracle. So Oracle database or databases also having its own language. So whenever you want to send your user request to your Oracle server, the request, how it will be means, the request is in the format of Oracle understandable format. So in that way, if you're sending the request, then the request can be understood by Oracle. Okay, otherwise Oracle cannot respond to you. Okay, so that's what it was happen when we want to communicate with databases, especially relational databases. If you want to communicate here, we must and should need a SQL language. Okay, so SQL language knows Oracle. Oracle knows, database knows SQL language, but who doesn't know? Who doesn't know? Users, because I want to communicate now. Databases know SQL, but who doesn't know? Users doesn't know. If I want to talk to him or talk to them, then what I want to do? I want to learn. Understand now? For example, one person is there. The person knows only English language. Okay, but I don't know English language, but I want to talk to him. What I want to do? Definitely, I want to take some time to learn language which is comfort to my friend, which is understand my friend. Yes or no? For that purpose, I'm taking some time and learning, and after learning, I'm communicating to my friend. Concept understand now? Here also same thing. The database is there already existing. Okay, and the database already knows, and database knows only one language. Which language? SQL only knows that. Other languages doesn't know. So SQL only knows that. But the SQL, I don't know as a user. Okay, but I want to work on that. I want to communicate that. Then what I want to do as a user? I want to learn. Okay, so that who are learning here? Users want to learn. After learning SQL language, with the help of that knowledge, you are communicating to your databases, sending requests, taking response. Sending request, taking response. Okay, now, so that is a part of here. The first one, what is this? SQL. So SQL is called as what? Structure query language. Okay. And after that, the one more topic, okay, that is called advanced SQL also we can call. Otherwise, the extension of your SQL also we can call. That is called as what now? PLSQL. Okay, PLSQL is called an extension of SQL. Okay, now it's called as a completely programming levels. Okay, how you are writing C programs, how you are writing Java programs, but not that much big level. Okay, as per database levels, we have some programmatically, we can do some operations. Okay, not query basis, with the programmatical basis. Okay, now, and this is extension of your SQL we called the procedural language, which is extension of structure query language. So like we can say C, C++. C++ what? Extension of C language. Can you say or no? Yes. So how we can say C++ is an extension of C language, same as PLSQL is an extension of SQL. So later in these cases, you will be asked, so what is the differences between SQL and PLSQL? Definitely, they have some differences are there. Some features we can't implement in SQL, and those we can implement with the help of PLSQL. So PLSQL, SQL, these are the two languages we are learning. One is a program language, one is a query language. SQL is completely query basis, and it's look like very easy for use. Okay, so very easy for us. But PLSQL, come to PLSQL, is called a programming language. So it's depending on your logics. Okay, so how much interested in coding levels, so those people can easily understand PLSQL. If you think some little bit disturbance, little bit tough. Otherwise, very easy also PLSQL. Okay, now, right. So now, along with this, and additionally, we are learning one more topic. The topic number, what is this? Dynamic SQL. The last topic, dynamic SQL. Now, so what is dynamic, sir? Dynamic means what? Can we change or we can't change? Can we change? Yes. So here dynamic SQL. Already we are learning SQL here. We are learning SQL queries, how to write, what it will do, what kind of operations we can do, all we can learning. But what about dynamic SQL? Means here simply remember, here just I'm giving. SQL, whatever we are learning here, in this SQL, every query is called as a static. Every query we are learning in the format of static format. That means once the query statement you written, that cannot be changed at my runtime level. At which level? Runtime level. That means execution level. We cannot change our query. So whatever you decide, whatever you declared, that was finished here. That was fixed here. And we cannot change in the future. So that is called what? Static. But in real time, we need how much importance of static, but especially we are working at a database programming side. We need some knowledge of dynamic also. Maybe static queries are mostly using Java, .NET. These people are using static queries in their applications. But when you working pure database developing side, then you must and should be know this dynamic SQL technique also. This is not a language. This is just for technique. Technique means it is a way of implementation. Yes or no? So there's just a technique. The technique, what it was tell us, how to convert the static SQL query into dynamic. So static we are learning, and those static query, how I want to convert into dynamic level. So that was telling by dynamic SQLs. Okay, now, so these are the major topics, guys, here. Okay, so we are going to be discussing in this 60 to 70 classes. Okay, but in this SQL, PLSQL, these are the main important two languages for you. Okay, and SQL, PLSQL, these two languages will take much time to spend on that. So many come to SQL, so many we are learning the basic SQL queries we are learning, like DDL, DML, yes or no. After that, we are going to be operators, functions, clauses, joins, subqueries, views, synonyms, partition tables, sequences, indexes, locking mechanisms, materialized views, yes or no? So like so many different concepts and topics we have it in this part. So here big time will we take what now? SQL. SQL is a big concept. SQL language to learn is a big concept. So here only we are spending almost 30 sessions we are spending on this SQL. Okay, na? So remaining 30 sessions, we will be take out the PLSQL, Dynamic SQL, DBMS, and Oracle software. So these are all combination we will discuss in this class. That's why I'm taking here my batches, especially 60 to 70 sessions. In between, I will be finished your course. So maximum 2.5 months or 3 months maximum. If you go to, because Sundays are there. Okay, na? So I'm not including Sundays, excluding Sundays. Okay, na? Not including, excluding Sundays. Okay. So it will be going on 60 classes, 60 to 70 classes. Okay, na? And of course, nowadays, any course you can learn it in any institute. Okay. So minimum to minimum 60 classes is for any course. And if you go to major courses like advanced Java, if you go now, how many months you are expecting advanced Java? 1.5 month kada? 1.5 month? So if you want to learn advanced Java, it will take minimum to minimum 5 to 6 months. That kind of classes are there, I'm telling. But that is what I'm telling, minimum to minimum. So you just think about it. So because of reason, course content will be like this. Not a small content, no, big content. And you are also expecting everything. Yes or no? Not expecting everything? Expecting. So you're expecting everything. So we need to provide everything. So it will take a time. So compared to any course, guys, even the C language also you can see, they will take minimum 2 months easily. So nowadays, 1 week, 15 days courses are there, but you cannot get it. If you want to finish Oracle in 15 days also, that kind of super fast faculties are there. But how they're teaching, you know, you will become exactly, suppose you are coming, your timings is 9 o'clock morning, 9 to night 9 o'clock. If you sit in front of your faculty or trainer, they will finish 15 to 20 days your complete Oracle syllabus. But how many hours you have to do to spend there? 9 to 9 means? So what happened? So 9 to 9. If you spend like this, you will be Einstein. So 15 days course completed. Coming outside. If anybody asks you what happened, I don't know here what happened. 15 days is over. That's it. But I don't know what happening. Okay. So that is what. So that's why minimum. Okay. If any course, the 2 months, if you months wise, if you count, okay, and session wise, 45 to 50, 45 to 50 or 50 to 60 is a common for any course. Okay, na? So that's why I'm genuinely talking, guys. I don't want to hide anything in this. Okay, na? So this is what my course, and this details, if you are okay, you can join. Otherwise, go to other batches also. I'm very happy for that. Okay, na? So because I want to talk open, because later you say, sir, I don't want it, sir. Huh? So whatever I said in front of you, I delivered what I'm going to do. Okay, na? So these are my sessions, 60 to 70 sessions. If you anybody feel the sessions are too much, sir, means happily you can log out. Log out means not mobile, yeah. Class log out. Okay, and join into other batch also. Okay, some other batches also there. You can join into other, nothing problem to me. Okay, na? Right. So this is course details, guys, here. And content, if you want it, take from Naresh, right? Okay, na? So this is main topics I was given. If I want to write content here, I will take 1 week time. Okay. So the content is not, okay, I'm not showing here, but you want it, you can take. They will provide to you. Already I said to you, management people, if anybody come and ask, give it up. Okay, na? Right. So this is what. And later, What about your notes? Okay, na? So what about your notes? So here, if here I'm giving completely the notes, running notes, it will be in the classroom, you can take it, and online people also there. So that's what the both kind of people are there, means I will pass everyday notes to your Google Classroom. Okay, now, so your everyday topic wise, you are getting guys here. So everyday topic wise, okay, now running notes is a one thing. First one is running notes. It will be having in the txt format. Txt means text file format. You have a running notes, and on the topic, once the topic is completed, so I will send you what I am sending, main notes. So main notes, you have it in the format of which format? PDF. So here you will be get on each topic 2 notes you are getting. One is running notes, is a regular process. That was, for example, today I started one topic. The topic will take 2 sessions. That means you will get a 2 running notes on that particular topic. Okay. And finally one main notes. Okay. That's called a PDF format. So you are just blindly remember, when I'm going to uploading text files, you remember that that is a running. So when I uploaded PDF format, then you remember that is a main material. So that main material you can keep your side in the future if you want it, and you can download and keep it your systems or whatever it is. PDF files, text files are just for explanation notes. In my classroom, whatever I'm explaining here, that I was written on my text. That's why in text file, I'm writing shortcut manner, I'm writing. Okay, now, so shortcut words I'm using. That means not all that. Okay, some little bit examples wise explanation, shortcut I will take it. But in the main notes, you have a clear information with the diagrams and everything. Okay, right. So you will get, that is the everyday process that was. Okay. And these are the things, but how you will be getting guys here. Along with this, I'm saying here, one more thing is what now guys here, Oracle software and also Oracle installation video also I'm sending. Okay, now installation, okay, video. So the video also I'm uploading into Google Classroom, because I will show you first in the classroom how to install, and that video whatever we recorded here, that video I will upload to Google Classroom. For example, why I'm not going to uploading means, at your home you can download that video and follow as it is. Okay, now, so after installation still you have a problems, okay, then next day you're coming to class now. So come to me and I will see your problems. Okay, now. So installations, problems, anything. First, I will give installation process. I will show you practically. I'm sending video and you just follow it here. Maximum you people will be covered that. If any case, if few people unable to install, then come to me. I will check it. What is your problem? Okay, now? Right. So Oracle installation. These all are, you will be getting guys here. These 2 you will be getting here through Google Classroom. Okay, now? So the Naresh IT management people will create one link for our batch. Okay, in that link, all of you come and accept. That means you all of you, what we can say, registered in that. Okay, they will send you a link. So outside the administrators are there, the office boys. So you can go to ask them. They will give it. Okay, and they will tell you to where you have to take that link. And after taking link, you have to, what we can say, register in that. Okay, now, so that you have to take it here. And finally, after your course, that means once you completed your course, so what you are going to be taking from my side. Okay, so finally I will provide it guys here. Okay, finally, so what you want to get it here, I will send you complete Oracle. I will send you complete Oracle course material. Okay, now, so I will send you complete, that means from starting to ending, complete Oracle material you will be get it here. And this material you will have it in the which format? PDF format. So after that, so in our classes, in our classrooms, we are discussing some examples, some practical examples. We are discussing topics wise. Along with class examples, I'm giving some additional examples also. Okay, now, so that additional examples also I'm giving to you guys here. Okay, examples, additional examples plus my class examples. Okay, now, so almost you will be covered almost 300 plus examples you will cover, including of class and extra, that means exercise queries. Okay, now, so both combination almost we are going to be reaching to work almost 300 queries. We are discussing the complete syllabus, including PL SQL and dynamic SQL. 300 examples you will be finally get it, okay, from this course. Okay, now, later after that I will give some IQs. Okay, I will give some IQs. So these IQs only for interviews purpose. If you go to database or any Java interview, they will be must and should ask some database questions also. So we are going to interview levels. So some I was prepared some IQs, almost 100 plus IQs I prepared here. So these 100 plus IQs I will provide to you, and especially who are going to database developing purely, they will be go for database developing side. Okay, those people must and should be fulfill this 100 questions IQs, and after prepare you can go to database interview. So my confidence is maximum you will be success if anybody interested to go database. Okay, now, so that is IQs I was prepared here. And along with guys here, the fresher resumes. Okay, I will pass some resume formats. Okay, for your, I hope you have it, but just I'm sending some models. Some people, they don't know how to prepare their resumes, because resume is also one of the first thing to impress any company. Yes or no? They didn't see your face, they didn't see your talent what it is, but they will see first your resume. So your resume, how much perfectly you will be prepared, so that much advantage to you. Okay, now that means calls are come to you. If resume is not properly maintained or properly prepared here, you didn't call or you didn't get a calls, because some students are saying that, sir, I'm uploading my resume but I'm still not getting any calls, sir. So why you are not getting any calls means when you uploaded your resume having some problems. Otherwise maybe recruitments are not there. So positive and negative both are there. So but maximum when your resume, if anybody see that, immediately they want to impress your resume. So in such a way, first target is that is call is coming or not coming, interview success or fail, that is none of the matter. But first thing is what now? Impress to your interview panel people, okay, and companies people with the first your impression is what? Your resume. Based on somebody telling that, some authors are telling that based on your resume they can calculate your attitude also. Understand now? That is a, what we can say, psychology something will be there now. How your resume is there, your psych, that means your attitude also they can understand, the interview people. Okay, now, so that's why that is the best impression you have to get. It means first resumes are important. Okay, these resumes I will give for fresher and also experienced people, because you're two people, if anybody 2 plus 3 plus of gap is there, they're trying to database jobs, they can use it, this resume. So one formula, one format is experienced people, one format is fresher people. The two you can go to take it here. Okay, now, so this is what. And finally, once course is completed, you will be get here Oracle certificate. Okay, now, so you will be getting here Oracle course certificate. So finally, if you want it, I don't know how many people they wanted Oracle certificate, but Oracle course certificate, if you want it, you can take. So we are taking from Naresh IT people. The Naresh IT people, after end of the course, they will be provide to you. Okay, now the certificate also you can happily take it, Oracle course completion certificate. Okay, now, so maybe it will be, keep it either your wish, you can take, otherwise no need. Okay, that depends on your interest. So these are the final things guys here you will be getting from me. Okay, except certification is giving by management people, the remaining things sir I will provide to you. Okay, now, right, so this is your course details guys here, right? Are you clear? So in this course you have any doubt, okay, you can come and ask me after this class. Okay, now, so if you have any doubts are there regarding to this all the things, you can ask me. Okay, I will interact with you. Okay, now, right? So this is my demonstrations, and yesterday and today the 2 classes, and tomorrow I will started my main classes. And tomorrow, what is our first topic? DBMS. Okay, so this is very important topic. So first you have to know this, then you can understand that what is Oracle. Okay now, right guys? And thank you so much, and we will meet on, okay, tomorrow, right guys? Thank you. So guys, your online people, are you there here? Online students, do you have any queries? Are there? You can send your queries through chat box. Online students, do you have any queries regarding to this course? You just send your query through chat box.
Sir, MySQL is different than SQL and
MySQL and in Oracle SQL, MySQL common things only for queries. जो भी queries रहता है उसके अंदर और इसके queries आपको सेम रहेगा, जैसे DDL queries, DML queries, ये पूरा सेम रहेगा आपको. But later implementation of some like आपको data types रहेगा, so data types अलग रहेगा. MySQL का different रहेगा और Oracle SQL का different रहेगा. Functions are different रहेगा, operators are different रहेगा. So the way of implementation of logics and queries, logic same, but query syntaxes will be differences. So like for example, you know, C and C++ and Java and .NET. That kind of differentiates are there, except queries that called a DDL. Okay, so इसके हिसाब से आप थोड़ा आप कौन सा you want it in MySQL?
I was asking about that it is different or same.
Different means that's what I said.
Yeah.
Okay. Query level same, but later on topics wise some little bit differences are. Okay.
Sir, ఇప్పుడు మన SQL తో పాటు వేరే కోర్సెస్ ఏం నేర్చుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది సార్?
డేటాబేస్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళాలి
అంటే యాక్చువల్గా అంతే సార్, డేటాబేస్ సైడ్
వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటే ఒకటి ఫస్ట్ ఏంటంటే మీరు ఈ కోర్స్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ చేయండి.
ఎస్ సార్.
సో దీని తర్వాత మీరు నెక్స్ట్ అంటే ఓన్లీ ఒరాకిల్ మీద వెళ్తారంటే సరిపోతుంది, కోర్స్ సరిపోతుంది. మొత్తం ఆ పార్ట్స్ అంతా ఫినిష్ చేశారు.
అలాగే సార్.
దీని మీద మీరు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు యాజ్ అ ఫ్రెషర్ గా కానీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కానీ అప్ టు 3+ వరకు మీరు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఏం కాదు. ఇంకా నువ్వు ఫర్దర్ గా స్పెషల్ గా వెళ్ళాలి అనుకుంటే దీని తర్వాత మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేటిక్ టూల్స్ ఉంటాయి, అది కానీ లేదంటే పవర్ బై టూల్స్ అని. సో ఈ రెండింటిలో ఏదో ఒకటి చూస్ చేస్తాను.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు డేటాబేస్ సైడ్ ఎలా ఉందంటే SQL PLSQL చేసిన తర్వాత పైథాన్ నేర్చుకుంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్?
బెస్ట్
బెస్ట్ అసలు
కానీ అది మీకు యూజ్ అవుతుందని యూజ్ అవుతుంది. కంప్లీట్ ఒరాకిల్ డెవలపర్ ఇప్పుడు నేను పైథాన్ జావా .NET ఏం తెలియదు నాకు, ఓన్లీ డేటాబేస్ అండ్ వర్క్ దాని మీద ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అది మెయిన్ మన ఫోకస్ అక్కడ పెట్టుకో. సో పైథాన్ ఒకవేళ ఏంటంటే నీకు టైం ఉంటే నేర్చేసుకొని పెట్టుకెళ్తే ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఏమైనా ఉపయోగపడితే నీకు ఉపయోగపడదు. అలాగైతే ఓకే.
ఒకవేళ SQL తో అయితే ఇన్ఫర్మేటిక్ టూల్స్
లేదంటే పవర్ బై టూల్ నేర్చుకోండి. రెండింటి ఏదో ఒకటి
సరే. ట్యాబ్లు ఉన్నాయి సార్,
అవి చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ట్యాబ్లో ఉంది, క్విక్యూ ఉంది, డేటా సైన్స్ ఉంది. సో డేటా సైన్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు టాప్ లో ఉంది, ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అనేది.
సో అది మీకు ఏంటంటే డేటా సైన్స్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటే పైథాన్ ప్లస్ ఒరాకిల్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఈ రెండు కాంబినేషన్ వెళ్ళామనుకో డేటా సైన్స్ అనేది సూపర్ ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ వన్ అదే కదా, ఫ్యూచర్ కూడా అదే బాగుంటుంది అని అంటున్నారు అందరూ. అలా చేసుకోవచ్చు, అలా చేద్దాం, అది బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. పైథాన్ నేర్చుకొని డేటాబేస్ నేర్చుకొని డేటా సైన్స్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళిపోయాం అనుకో చాలా బాగుంటుంది.
సార్ ఇది కాకుండా మనం ఫుల్ స్టాక్
అది యాక్చువల్గా ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా డెవలపర్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలపర్ తేడా ఉంటుంది. కాకపోతే ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలపర్ అనేది ఏంటంటే ఆల్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు డిజైనింగ్ మీద ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళ నాలెడ్జ్, డెవలప్ మీద ఉండాలి, టెస్టింగ్ లెవెల్ ఉండాలి, డేటా అంటే ఇది ఆల్ కాంబినేషన్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండేవాడే ఫుల్ స్టాక్ అంటే. ఫుల్ అంటే వాడు ఒక జావా డెవలపర్ కావాల్సినటువంటి అది వచ్చి ఉండాలి. ఎందుకంటే కంపెనీస్ ఎలా అయిపోయాయంటే ఎవరికైతే అన్ని డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ లో నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుందో వాటికి ప్రయారిటీ ఇస్తున్నారు కంపెనీ. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మనీ. ఇప్పుడు నీకు 25,000 ఇచ్చేసి నువ్వు అన్ని పనులు ఇవే చేయాలంటే నాకు హ్యాపీ కదా, మనీ సేవ్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో అది రీజన్ ఆఫ్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్. అంతే. కాబట్టి అందులో ఇప్పుడు ఫుల్ స్టాక్ మనకి ఏమొస్తాయి, ఈ యూఐ టెక్నాలజీస్ వస్తాయి, డేటాబేస్ వస్తుంది, కోర్ అడ్వాన్స్ వస్తుంది, మీకు లేదా అడిషనల్ గా మీకు సిఆర్టీ ఏదో ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అదే అందుకని ఫుల్ స్టాక్ ఏంటంటే ఒక మనిషిని తీసుకుని వాటితో అన్ని చేయించుకోవాలి.
అన్ని పనులు కలిసి
అది ఎవరికి కంపెనీ కూడా చాలా మంచిది. కానీ మనకి
ఇబ్బంది
ప్రెజర్ చచ్చిపోతాం అంతే కంపెనీలో. వాడు ఏంటంటే వాడు బిజినెస్ కోసం అలా పెట్టుకుంటున్నాడు, అది ఇప్పుడు ప్రయారిటీ అని అంటున్నాడు.
MySQL, PLSQL, SQL, SQL సర్వర్స్ 4 ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్.
అన్ని డిఫరెన్స్
ఏంటి సార్?
డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే క్వరీస్ వర్క్ మీకు బాగా సేమ్ ఉంటాయి, డీటెయిల్ క్వరీస్, డిఎంఎల్ క్వరీస్ సేమ్ ఉంటాయి. బట్ మీకు నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ వచ్చే ఏంటి ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్స్. సపోజ్ డేటా టైప్స్ ఉన్నాయి, డేటా టైప్స్ మీకు ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఒరాకిల్ ఒకలాగా ఉంటాయి, ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్ లో ఒకలాగా ఉంటాయి మళ్ళీ డేటా టైప్స్. అలాగే
ఇప్పుడు డేటా అనలిస్ట్, డేటా సైన్స్ అయితే డేటా సైన్స్, డేటా అనలిస్ట్, డేటా ఇంజనీర్స్, బిగ్ డేటా, ఈ అనాలిటిక్స్ వైపు వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళకి ఏం నేర్చుకోవాలి?
సైడ్ వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళకి